guys, it's Asia. So my morning routine, I'm usually rushing and my eyeliner gets a little crooked. We brought in the pro, Jenna Christina, to show how to fix crooked eyeliner.
Hey guys.
Hey girl.
What's up? We're gonna fix your liner.
Please.
Can we talk about what's going on?
I put it on, but I can never get it right. I can never get it right. And I don't want to have to take off my whole face.
Okay. Two things. I wouldn't have coffee before because it looks like you got a jitter hand.
Okay.
Also, you can start with your eyeliner first, so you don't have to remove your foundation. Pointed Q-tips. Have you seen these?
No, I didn't know those even existed.
They're pretty special and they're so useful. Fixing it with the Q-tip, I'll do a little bit more makeup remover. Do you want to try it?
Let me try it.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Do you see how it like kind of starts forming that point?
Yeah. Like the Q-tip is doing it itself.
I know.
This is cool. So what makes this work better than, you know, your traditional rounded Q-tip?
It's just more precise.
Okay.
So you can get into like all the teeny tiny crevices. It's just more detail oriented. So for an eyeliner, that's what you need. The other thing is there's this new liner starter thing that Beauty Blender came out with. It kind of looks like a little guitar pick. So it's soft, it's malleable, it fits with any eye shape. I start with the edge and work my way in. And what I would do is just like rest it on your lashes and drag over. You can get makeup remover on your pointed Q-tip.
Okay.
And then place underneath the eye and pull up.
So I'm using this and I'm putting it right here. Is that good?
What I recommend is really following the angle from the bottom lash line and out so that you get like more of an elongated
Got you.
eyeliner.
I think I could actually do this in the morning. Thank you so much, Jenna Christina. You killed it.
Okay.
You are the pro, not a pro, but the pro.
Thank you!
Thank you,
oh my
Jenna.
God, you're so sweet.
Thanks.
So fun. Thanks for having me.